Hi, Michael from Go. Today we're looking at our waste oil tank, which is part of our box series of tanks. This is for Crown equipment, and this is a cool solution for workshops that need to address storing waste oil or other waste hydrocarbons in their facility. This is an easy mod that we can make to this range of tanks, and it's important for workshops and the like to ensure that they can safely and securely store waste product to ensure they don't have kind of any environmental impact if there's spills or other concerns that might occur when you're storing in poly or IBCs or even small waste drums within your workshop. The waste oil box range, it's got some cool features that allows us to, for starters, pump out from the tank easily with a 2-inch evacuation line fitted with camlock as well and ball valve. This allows any of your liquid waste contractors to come in quickly and suck out of the tank. We can also offer a diaphragm pump for easy evacuation or suction into this tank as well as a custom adder onto this product. To actually fill this tank, this application just simply required a lockable cover. So underneath our lockable galvanized hatch lid, the filter drain point features a galvanized grate to allow you to leave your filter elements just sitting on there to drain out, to allow you to get your guys back to work, and so they can then come back and get rid of those elements knowing that they've been drained fully of any residual oil. It's a self-bunded tank, like all of our tanks, so this is essentially double-walled, which gives you the surety to know that everything in here is protected, and it allows you to keep a neat and tidy waste oil storage solution for your site to make sure you don't have any potential risks when trying to store this type of product in your site. If you need something like this for your workshop or for your site, please reach out. We have sizes starting at 500 litres all the way up to 10,000 litres in the box range. So this allows you to change and also customise this to your application as well. We can tweak this to your exact needs. So don't hesitate, reach out to us, take advantage of this product and our service.